I just came from the Sir. The visitors, all the visitors now, they are in the visitor center, except you guys. So don't worry, I'm with you. We're gonna leave here soon, my dear friends. Welcome to Brixton for free, and we don't want to leave. Yeah, you entered the pleasure. Really good. We're gonna charge the coffee right today.
Kami nagkapag-torgol niya.